This 5-minute solution will show you how to appear offline on Roblox. So Roblox doesn't provide any direct option to appear offline or turn off your online active status. But here are some settings we can turn off to appear offline. So open Roblox and sign into your account, then click on this gear icon and click on settings. Once you are in the settings page, here select privacy, and in this communication section you have to make all of these options no one. So click one by one and select no one. Scroll down, and in this other settings section, who can make me a member of their private server, also here you have to select no one. Who can join me in experiences? No one. Who can see my inventory? No one. And that's how we can appear offline on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.